All the devices can be connected with a smartphone will appear on the device right here. Look at this. As soon as I tap on the MateBook, the Nova 9 is now connected with this super device, you can drag and drop any file. Also, HUAWEI Nova 9 without using a data cable, the smartphone icon will appear in the MateBooks folder as a drive.
Noise cancellation.
As if you're accessing a regular PC folder. Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about
Awareness.
for the first time ever in the UAE.
Break the rules. Yeah, I'm so high. Sugar, sugar, sugar high. Hello. Help me. Things I can't see easy when I'm downtown and we hit the ground.
HUAWEI Nova 9 comes in two stunning colors. This right here is the color number 9, which is incredible. Like, you don't really find many phones that come in colors like this. It really is truly unique. The HUAWEI Nova series has been known to have beautiful designs and colors, beauty above all. The color number 9 is the display on this beauty right here. Wow. So it really gives the phone a unique personality. And let me show you again. This color number 9 is actually a mix of two colors. So it's blue and purple hues that give off. Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new HUAWEI Nova 9 for the first time ever in the UAE. And you can be one of the first people to get the exclusive pre-order offer here on my channel during this live stream. This is the box with the brand new Nova 9. I'm super excited about this one. Let's see what we have inside. Check it out. All right, so let's start off with this beauty. Look at this. Check out this beauty. This is the brand new HUAWEI Nova 9, and it comes in two stunning colors. This right here is the color number 9. It's just incredible. Like, you don't really find many phones that come in beautiful colors like this. It really is truly unique. The HUAWEI Nova series has been known to have beautiful designs and colors, beauty above all. The color number 9 is exclusively designed and made for the HUAWEI Nova 9 only. Check out the display on this beauty right here. Wow. So it really gives the phone a unique personality. And let me show you again. This color number 9 is actually a mix of two colors. So it's blue and purple hues that give off a sense of mysteriousness. It also uses a new Stereo Flash AG class process, which makes the slim glass back even more dazzling. Look at this right here. And under different lightings, the color finish reflects vivid and colorful patterns. Wow, I'm in love. Under a spotlight, the whole device shines and sparkles. It reminds me of all those subtle moments in life. Another design element that makes the Nova 9 really unique, I'll show you. It is the special star orbit ring design. It really makes the phone stand out, and the circle has no solid boundaries, which is meant to give a feeling of unlimited possibilities. Now let's look at the front display. Check it out. The new HUAWEI Nova 9 comes with a 6.57-inch, 120Hz original color curved display. The incredibly curved screen slides from the center to both sides seamlessly, just like a waterfall, which offers immersive visuals and a comfortable grip at the same time. I mean, look at this, guys. See how sleek and light this smartphone is, despite all the features it's packed inside, with a thickness of only 7.77 millimeters and a weight of approximately 175 grams. It really fits in a palm comfortably. I like taking selfies and always want to look good, so with the Nova 9, The 32 megapixel front camera, you can capture high resolution selfies anytime, no matter what time of day it is. Even at night, it identifies faces and applies facial enhancements for selfies that are natural and detailed. And it even supports the AI beauty effects when taking selfies, which makes your skin tone and texture more authentic and natural against complex lights and backgrounds. I do vlogs on a daily basis, but with the Nova 9, you really get a chance to enjoy the vlogging experience to the max. Whether you're recording like your 18th birthday party, or you're at your new university campus, or even something as simple as recording your pet, every moment of your life should be worth capturing with extreme clarity. Even offers slow motion selfie video. Like, this is really cool, guys. I've never seen something like this, so let me introduce you the most impressive and interesting vlog camera features. It has a continuous front-rear recording. Previously, when shooting videos, you need to shoot the video with the front camera, then end the video and switch to the rear camera and then start recording again, which means you need to edit these two videos together once you're done. This kind of restrains us from shooting creative videos and compromises the video recording experience. Now, it's just simply easier and saves you so much more time. With the Huawei Nova 9, you can easily switch between the front and rear cameras whilst you're recording to produce a single video featuring both sides of the story. This way you can easily produce a video featuring yourself as well as scenic shots of the environment around you to show different perspectives. I'm going to demonstrate to you. Besides continuous front-rear video recording, there are also other cool vlog features that help you record your vlogs from different angles. There's a special vlog mode. In this mode, you can use dual view video to show both front and rear perspectives simultaneously, or to record a zoomed in shot and wide shot together, both taken with the rear camera system in one single frame. Again, this switching of camera occurs seamlessly, allowing you to create unique videos by simply clicking on the record button. Whether you're vlogging and you're on vacation, your school life, or even if you're cooking, you can switch between the cameras anytime, record all your special moments. With no need to stop the video, vlogging is made easier than ever. There's also this cool video feature known as video search and one-click video creation. This is an incredibly convenient video editing feature. All you need to do is search the video or photos using some keywords and all the related videos will show up. Once your clips are selected, you can simply choose any filters, background music, and other elements to insert in your video. It allows you to share your favorite videos with others without any complications whatsoever. Huawei Nova 9 comes pre-installed with the Petal Clip app, which provides a variety of editing, story templates, different video themes and songs from Huawei Music. It's easy to use as it is. Petal Clip allows you to edit videos you just captured. One more thing you can't record a good vlog without is a clear and high quality audio. With the Huawei FreeBuds 4, check it out guys, you can get more flexibility when vlogging and capturing audio with noise reduction feature, which boosts the clarity of the captured sounds. Now let's talk about the rear camera. Huawei Nova 9 comes with a 50 megapixel ultra vision main camera with a RYYB color filter array, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel depth camera, and a 4 centimeter macro camera. Using RYYB filter, it gives you a 40% more light intake. Whether capturing night scenic shots or night portraits, the images come out bright but not overexposed, and it retains the details. No matter what the condition of the lighting is, you can always capture very clear photos and videos. Not only Nova 9 has a stunning design, stunning camera, it also has the Huawei Super Device features. EMUI 12 has consolidated different parts in the control panel, making it easier for users to control multiple devices as if they were controlling just one device. The connection is straightforward. All you need to do is swipe down from the top of the screen to open the control panel, and all the devices can be connected with a smartphone, and it'll appear on the Device Plus page. Look at this. As soon as I tap on the MateBook, the Nova 9 is now connected with my Huawei MateBook 14. With this super device feature, you can drag and drop any files from the phone to PC in an instant. Also, when Huawei Nova 9 is connected to a Huawei MateBook, it turns into a USB drive that can be accessed directly on the computer. Without using a data cable, the smartphone icon will appear in the MateBook's folder as a drive. Click on it and now you can access your mobile files as if you're accessing a regular PC folder. Among the Nova 9 super device features, there is one interesting and convenient remote shutter feature. When your phone is paired with the Huawei Watch 3, you can use the watch as a remote shutter. This is amazing, guys. Like, when it comes to taking group photos, usually we need like a passerby to take the photo. But now you can easily get it done remotely using the Huawei Watch 3. When taking photos with friends and family, you can simply set up your Huawei Nova 9 on a tripod and view the subject through your watch display, and then press the shutter button to take a photo or even a 30-second video. And you can also use the crown to zoom in and out to help you capture the right shot every time. This is crazy, guys. Huawei Nova 9 also supports a 66-watt Huawei Supercharge. All you need is 38 minutes to get the 4,300 milliamperes battery fully charged. That is really quick, guys. Huawei Nova 9 also comes with the all-new Touch Turbo, delivering a series of optimizations of touch responsiveness, stability, and accuracy, especially when playing games. When it comes to games, you can find a lot of interesting mobile phone games and various top apps like Garena Free Fire, Centerpoint Online, Emirates, which are available in the app gallery. All you need to do is open the app gallery on your Huawei device now and explore more surprises. Alright, so there you have it, the stunning Huawei Nova 9. This is a truly trendy flagship smartphone, guys, and the camera king. You can pre-order the Huawei Nova 9 now for 1,799 dirhams, and as a free gift, you can get a free Buds 3 worth 529 dirhams. Let me also introduce you to the new exclusive offers from Petal One for new Huawei Nova 9 users. You can now get the Huawei Mobile Cloud offer with a 200 GB 1-month free trial, or a 200 GB with 30% off the 1-year paid subscription, 3 months free Huawei music, and 1-month Huawei Video VIP. You can also get the Stars Play VIP 12 months free trial. In addition, a 3-month complimentary warranty extension is available for Nova 9 users, which can be claimed in My Huawei app. You can also purchase a Huawei Care Screen Protection or extended warranty service at Huawei stores or V-Mall. Huawei Care gives you more care and less worries. Exclusively now during this live stream, you can use coupon code ANOVA9, uppercase letters ANOVA number 9, to get 100 dirhams off. Guys, there's so many great opportunities today, so make sure you hurry up and you don't miss this chance. You know, I always try my best for you guys to get the best offers, so don't miss out on this. And lastly, I want to say thank you to every single one of you who has tuned in today. I miss seeing you guys, and this is an amazing opportunity to see you guys live. So thank you again, and hope to see you guys soon.